honor because he battled with Johnny. He brought his head in the back of the pile.
Sean Lurgan.
Yeah, okay.
They're full of aim of the shoes and tap and freshen.
Oh yeah.
Agus Mihal. Tom and Gerard and Yellow Line like.
Oh right, okay. Well, from Bishop from Connor, come on.
Oh, it's a wreck.
Ian, Doe, Slee.
Oh, Lurgan Town is another town since Papish Hancock he came to it. If you walk on the 12th day of July, you can't and he'll make you rue it. And if you sing an orange song, you'll get jailed for 8 and 40 hours. For his orders he has give his police to make prisoners of none but ours. Lurgan Hill is one high hill, the devil's hill, the truth I tell ye. The Fenian master, he lives there, besides his name is Francis Kelly. And every night the meetings held about Repeal and Dan O'Connell. And Nibble the Mander walked that way, and his name is Packer Donald. We held a dance down at Kilmore, the Fenian bulldogs they came to it. The dance their maids right round the floor and ordered Patrick's head to play it. Gary Owen and the Whitecock Gaelties were the tunes that they did monsters. As round the floor the dance their maids and he's never stood before such dancers. The 12th day of July came round, we raised a stand of 30 colours. And on that hill we raised an arch, and on it printed Wiener cowards. Now says Kelly, if you come through, your orange blood will truly scatter. We turned, shook hands, all we could do was say, boys, remember the boiling water.
My God.
As down the glen one Easter morn to a city fair rode I, there armed lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No fifes did hum nor battle drum did sound the dread tattoo, but the Angelus bell or the Livy swell rang out through the foggy June. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die neath an Irish sky than at Suvla or Sudabar. And from the plains of Royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's Huns with their long-range guns sailing through the foggy Dew. Back through the glen I rode again, my heart with grief was sore. For I parted then with brave women and men that I never would see no more. And to and fro in my dreams I go, I kneel and I pray for you. For slavery fled, or rebel dead, when you fell in the foggy Dew.
Now a Polish song from Sean.
Where, oh, where is our James Connolly?